What is semantic HTML?
Semantic HTML uses tags that clearly describe their purpose and the type of content they contain. Instead of only focusing on how a page looks, semantic HTML emphasizes the meaning behind elements like headings, navigation, main content, and footers. Using these meaningful tags makes it easier for both humans and software to understand the structure of a web page.
How semantic tags help accessibility.
Accessibility is improved when web pages use semantic HTML. Screen readers and other assistive technologies rely on these tags to interpret page structure and content correctly. For example, using nav, parentheses, main, and heading tags helps people who are blind or visually impaired navigate a website efficiently and understand its hierarchy.
Common semantic elements.
Semantic tags include header, nav, main, article, section, and footer. Each serves a unique role. For example, header contains introductory content, while footer marks the end of a page or section. Proper use of these tags clarifies page organization and helps browsers and devices display content appropriately.
Inclusive design and user experience.
Inclusive design means creating websites that work for everyone, including people with disabilities. Semantic HTML is a core principle of inclusive web development. By marking up content in a meaningful way, you ensure that all users, regardless of ability, have access to the information and can navigate your site with ease.
Best practices for semantic HTML.
Best practices include always choosing the most descriptive element for your content. Use headings in logical order. Avoid skipping levels, and don't rely on visual styling alone. Regularly test your pages with screen readers. Writing clean, semantic HTML doesn't just benefit users with disabilities. It also makes your code more maintainable and search engine friendly.